Hello and welcome to Aaron Patrick, the QuickBooks chap. In this series, we're going to be looking at your questions and queries, and I'm going to find and scour the internet for questions people are having with QuickBooks Online, problems they're facing, and we're going to spend a quick way of answering those questions. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So my name is Aaron Patrick, I'm a chartered accountant, certified UK trainer from Intuit, and also that QuickBooks chap. And today we have the following question that we want to answer. And today we're going to look at some questions that have been found on the internet that need to be answered, or within my comment section down below. So if you want to have your questions answered, make sure you'll like and subscribe to the channel to find the answer out, and then just put your comment below. I'll either answer it via text, or we'll do a little video like this to make sure that you can see exactly what's going on. So the question we have today is as follows. Morning everyone. When using QuickBooks for sole trader, so I assume that's QuickBooks self-employed, is there an option to put your full-time wage in so it evens the tax page out correctly? Great question here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight into QuickBooks Self-Employed. From here, as you can see, I've already got data in there already. So I'm already looking at my tax return as I need to. To find that tax return, you go to your taxes page on the left-hand side. From the taxes page, you'll be able to go to the tax profile button just here. Clicking into there brings up your tax profile, and what you can do here is put your estimated employment income in from there. So you know, if it's £20,000, if it's £18,000, whatever you expect to earn in a particular year, you stick it in this figure here. And if you have any other income, including rental or anything like that, you'll put that figure there. What that does is when I press save, it recalculates all the figures for me, bases it on the fact that when it comes to self-employed income, my employed income is going to be taxed at first, so all my personal allowances are going to be utilised, and then from there it's going to go in nicely. So there is that question being answered for you, how to put it in so your full-time wage is in so it evens out the tax page out correctly. Hopefully that answers the question for you. If you do have a follow-up one, don't forget to comment below. And there we have it, a nice quick and easy way of making sure that you've got the answers you need for your QuickBooks Online. Now, if you want a question, then don't forget to use that comment section below, or put it on some of the forums out there. So I'm a regular visitor to the QuickBooks official QuickBooks forum. So maybe that's a place where you can get your question answered as well. If you want more advice, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. But if you do have questions, don't forget our bi-weekly podcast, QuickBooks Labs. That's where you can be joining in live and asking questions as we go along. Myself and Ash, a fellow UK Intuit trainer, will be able to answer those questions as we go along. As always, it's been an absolute pleasure to do this video for me. Stay tuned for more content, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah.
Hello and thank you for watching that video. What you may not know is this channel that you've watched this video from is part of a wider group. That wider group is called Apple Core Production, and the 3 channels that we have involved are as follows: Aaron Patrick, the QuickBooks chap, Boffix Tax Tip. Finally, we have Apple Core Live and Geeky. All the links and everything are down below in the description, but it really means a lot to us if you can go and give a like to the other channels as well.